Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the lettuce to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest in Fish It Game of Roblox new classic event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I got the fishing rod ingredients quest, and one of the missions is handing over a lettuce, and I'm going to show you where you can get the lettuce. Basically, if you want to get them, you need to do fishing, and for the fishing spot, you need to go to the classic cave. Okay, you can enter the classic cave at the classic island, and you're going to fish here to catch the lettuce. I've already catched lettuce. Let me show you. I'm gonna search lettuce. Okay, this one. And after you get the lettuce, you can go back to the Chavez to hand over it to complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can get lettuce in Fish It Game of Roblox to complete the fishing rod ingredients quest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!